Hello friends, here we have another question of inverse trigonometric function. So the question is to find the principal value of cos inverse minus 1 by root 2. So let's begin. So let's assume that the cos inverse 1 by root 2 of minus is equal to x. So cos x is equal to minus 1 by root 2, right? Or you can write it as minus cos pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by root 2. As we know, the value of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. See, in cos terms, like in the principal value of inverse trigonometry, the value principal range of cos lies between 0 to pi. So, minus pi by 4 cannot be written. So, what we can write to this? This can be written as pi minus pi by 4, which is equal to 3 pi by 4. So the principal value that satisfies the range of inverse function of cos is cos inverse minus 1 by root 2 equal to x is 3 pi by 4. Thank you.